Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video. So today we are going to discuss about BlackRock and Larry Fink and the major milestones achieved by the company, BlackRock, and the challenges that the company has faced, the assets under management the company has, and the fees they charge, and what are their specialities, and how you know the financial engineering aspect of the firm, and especially of Larry Fink, has helped G Capital and also the Fed during the housing crisis of 2009. So let's delve deeper into it. And Larry Fink is the co-founder, chairman, and CEO of BlackRock, the world's largest asset management firm. And under his leadership, the BlackRock has grown into a global powerhouse of investment management, offering a wide range of services across various asset classes. He is an undergrad in Bachelor's of Arts in Political Science in UCLA, and he has done his MBA in Real Estate in UCLA School of Anderson School of Management. And BlackRock was founded in 1988 with headquarters in New York City. And assets under management were $11.6 trillion dollars as of 2024. And their specialities are ETFs. So ETFs are the main specialty of BlackRock, and they're a pioneer in this particular thing. The ETFs, they own a lot of ETFs all across the world, and their ETFs brand is called iShares brand. Okay, and yeah, just a brief. BlackRock was even funded by Blackstone actually, and in the initial times when money was needed, and Stephen Schwarzman was a major stakeholder in BlackRock along with Larry Fink, and he actually believed in BlackRock and Larry Fink's capabilities as a fund manager, and he put a lot of money. But yeah, as the firm grew profitable, and when a deal was offered to Blackstone to sell the stake in BlackRock, they sold the stake, and that's how Black Rock has become a separate entity. So the assets under management of BlackRock are around $11 trillion as of 2024. Their main specialties are ETFs, which they do through their iShares brand, and they have fixed income and equity investments also, and they have alternative investments including private equity and real estate, and offer risk management and advisory services, and they have technology solutions also. They have an Aladdin platform, which is their technology solution. So these are their main solution specialities that they offer. The fee structure base is dependent on the investment product. For ETFs, it is low expense ratio ranging from 0.03% to 0.4%. Mutual fund fees varies depends on the fund strategy and the asset class. Alternative investments have higher fees, but often including performance based components. The firm has been very proactive in reducing the fees to remain competitive, especially in the ETF offering. Major milestone is in 2009 they acquired Barclays Global Investors, and including their iShares ETF business. So this is a major milestone. The entire ETF business of Barclays Global Investors came under BlackRock's thing. And so yeah, the major milestones of Black Rock are, they acquired Barclays Global Investors and the entire iShares ETF business. And this has allowed BlackRock to have a global footprint, and significant global footprint actually. And in 2024, they announced acquisitions of global infrastructure partners and HPS investment partners to bolster the private market capabilities. By 2025, Blackstock reported assets under management of $11 trillion, worth 641 billion in net inflows for 2024. Challenges faced: 2008 financial crisis. BlackRock navigated this crisis by advising the U.S. government and managing distressed assets. So BlackRock has an excellent reputation, and basically valuing the distressed assets. So they are a most sought after company in valuing distressed assets. Even General Electric has taken their help, and U.S. government has taken their help. So they're expert in entire financial engineering and valuing distressed assets and managing distressed assets and um, basically uh, turning a distressed asset company into a profitable one also. That is their specialty. So during 2008 financial crisis, BlackRock navigated this crisis by advising US government and managing distressed assets, enhancing its reputation, but also drawing scrutiny over potential conflicts of interest. So this reputation has made them gain a lot of clients and make money through that advising companies about distressed assets. Regulatory scrutiny, as the largest asset management, they are have ongoing regulatory attention because of their size and influence in global markets. Yeah, their stance on environmental, social, and governance issues has attracted both support and criticism. So they are very famous for financial engineering, and Larry Fink is especially famous for financial engineering, and he was the first guy at GE Capital. GE Capital also took his support or advice in managing the distressed assets, basically. In the 1980s, while at first Boston, he Larry Fink played a pivotal role in developing this mortgage-backed securities market, and he collaborated with institutions like GE Capital to innovate these financial products. And when GE Capital needed help to value these distressed assets during the crisis, also he helped them to get through that crisis, and that reputation has helped him to um, get a lot of clients as an advisory role to basically value distressed assets. He's a person who played a main role in developing this mortgage-backed securities market. 2009 housing crisis also, during the financial crisis, BlackRock was enlisted by the Federal Reserve to manage and value toxic assets. So this is their specialization: value toxic assets from institutions like Bear Stearns, AIG, and they have this Aladdin risk management system, which is used to assess and mitigate risks. So this is about BlackRock, guys, the largest asset management firm in the world. ETFs is their specialty, and valuing toxic assets is their advisory business, which is sought after by many clients. Larry Fink initially got help from Stephen Squazman of Blackstone, but eventually he formed his own company of BlackRock, and it became a big company now, and is the largest asset management company in the world. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks everyone for joining the call. Have a nice day. Bye.